Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating my new product. It's called the Lush Pen, and basically what it is an eyeliner and it's an adhesive for your lashes. Many people have problems putting on lashes with the messy lash glue, but this product is really easy to use. So if you don't know how to put on eyeliner, I like to do this little trick and hold my eye like this. And then okay, like that. Then today I'm going to be using some lashes from my website. These are style Bougie. So all you do is place it. Place it on there like that. So I'm gonna do the other eye. I know this will be a lifesaver for some of y'all. So order yours today. You don't have to worry about any sticky hair glue, hair, eyes sticking together. And you just need to pop your lashes on right quick. They both are secured. Both secured. This is a short-term wear product. It's very simple, easy, and quick. These are style Bougie, how these look. I do have a combo deal on the site as well for a pair of lashes and the Lush Pen. So make sure you get your Lush Pen today and get you a pair of lashes as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.